Is your iPhone's auto lock setting grayed out and you can't change it? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the auto lock grayed out issue on your iPhone. Let's get started with the solutions right away. Solution 1. Disable low power mode. Open the settings app. Tap battery. Toggle off low power mode. After that, check if auto lock works as expected. Solution 2. Turn off guided access. Open settings. Tap accessibility. Scroll down and tap guided access. Toggle it off. Solution 3. Update your phone. Open settings. Tap general. Tap software update. If an update is available, download and install it. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open settings. Tap general. Scroll down and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset. Then choose reset all settings. Confirm when prompted. This will reset your system settings but won't erase your data. That's it for fixing the auto lock grayed out issue on your iPhone. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Still having trouble? Drop a comment and I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.